Very quickly, I just noticed that there is a section that we missed, and that is this chart right here. Many of you probably went ahead and filled it out yourselves, but just in case you did not, you are expected to have this filled in tomorrow. Um, just looking at the columns, we're given the name of the polygon. So the type of polygon: triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, and decagon, and their number of sides. So triangle has 3, quadrilateral has 4, pentagon has 5, hexagon 6, and so on. Okay, so in this column, what you'll see is the number of triangles that can be made, non-overlapping triangles that can be made from each of these polygons, right? So if a triangle having 3 sides, it has 1 triangle that can be made or that is inscribed in it, okay? A quadrilateral, as we showed in the quick investigation, has 2. Pentagon has 3 triangles, hexagon has 4, heptagon 5, octagon 6, nonagon 7, decagon 8, okay? There should be a pattern that you're noticing. So depending on the number of sides in a polygon, the number of triangles that can be made is 2 less, right? So I showed a demonstration of that here, right? If a polygon, being a pentagon, has 5 sides, the number of triangles that can be made from it is, of course, if you subtract 2, you'll get 3, all right? The way we get the sum of these interior angles is by doing that, right? So if every pentagon has 5 sides. Pentagon having 5 sides, when we subtract the number 2, we get the number of triangles that can be made within a pentagon. And then when we multiply that 3 by 180, we get the sum of the interior angles. And so you're just going to go ahead and fill out each of these columns with the number of sides in the polygon, the number of triangles that are inscribed within the polygon, and then the number of or the sum of the interior angles of those triangles that are inscribed within the polygon. Okay, and that's how you determine the sum of the interior angles, by figuring out how many triangles can be made from it and then multiplying that value by 180 degrees. So take some time, fill out this, and then of course there's a part 2 which will focus on the next page.